Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview paper trading feature. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, so let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do, the first step, is to select the paper trading option. Now you're just going to select the paper trading option from the accounts menu, and this will take you to the paper trading platform where you can practice trading with virtual money. Step 2 is to set up your paper trading account. So you can set up your paper trading account and fund that with virtual money. You can also adjust the account settings to suit your specific need. Now the third step is to practice trading. So you want to practice trading with real-time data and analyze your performance. Paper trading allows you to test strategies and refine skills without risking real capital. And the fourth step, of course, is to learn how to properly use paper trading. So you want to make sure you learn how to use paper trading to test strategies and refine your skills. So paper trading provides a risk-free environment to practice trading. All right, so that's a pretty useful feature. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview paper trading feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next